iLighting Global Enterprise Co Ltd. Lighting Basic Concept, Basic Edition. Lumen and lux. Lumen refers to the amount of light emitted by the light source product, that is, the sum of the measurements of light emitted every second. Lux actually refers to the illuminance of the light source and luminous flux uniformly distributed over the Lm² area, that is, the lux value. Conclusion, as shown in the figure, the same lumen but different irradiation area, then the lux value is also different, that is, the lux value is related to the distance and angle of the light source. Lumen efficacy. The efficiency of a light source is calculated by dividing the lumen of the light it emits by its power consumption. Light efficiency, LMW, equals total lumens, Lm, divided by power consumption, W, that is, the brightness of the light emitted by each watt of electricity, and the higher the value, the higher the efficiency of the light source. Therefore, the efficiency of the light source is usually an important consideration for places where the use time is longer, such as offices, corridors, tunnels, etc. Lux, illuminance application requirements. Illuminance is defined as the luminous flux received by the unit area of the illuminated body. The unit is lux, and each place with different purposes has its appropriate illuminance to match the actual needs. For example, the total illumination of the general home study is about 100 lux and the illumination is 600 lux when reading, at which time the table lamp can be used as local illumination to achieve the required illumination. When the illumination is too low, it is easy to lead to eye fatigue, resulting in myopia, and the illumination is too bright. Color temperature. Color temperature in different application environments to the absolute temperature, K, to express color temperature below 3000 K. The light color has a reddish phenomenon, yellow light, giving a very warm, friendly, comfortable feeling. When the color temperature exceeds 5000 K, the color is biased towards blue light, white light, giving people a cool feeling and making the environment quiet. Color rendering. The color rendering index of natural light is 100, and the closer the color rendering index is to 100, the closer the color we see is to the natural primary color of the object. That is, the degree of color fidelity, the color we see is closer to the natural primary color. The color of low color performance is poor for the color deviation seen is also delayed. PF. The power factor, PF, is the ratio of the active power consumed by a load to its apparent power. The apparent power of a pure resistive load is equal to the active power, and its power factor is 1. If the load consists of inductors, capacitors, and resistors, the power factor will be less than 1. Power factor reflects the proportion of generator capacity to be utilized to a certain extent and is an important indicator of rational power consumption. The level of power factor is very important for the utilization of electrical equipment and the analysis and research of power consumption. In order to reflect the cost of larger capacity equipment and wasted energy, power companies generally use higher tariff rates for industrial and commercial customers with lower power factors. Life. It is divided into average life and economic life in hours. Rate average life. For example, every 100 light bulbs are on at the same time, and if the 50th light bulb is broken and extinguished after 6,000 hours, the average life of this light bulb is 6,000 hours. Economic life refers to the total number of hours of lumen output. The light maintenance rate of the lamp meets the requirements specified in the standard and can continue to burn up to 50% of the lamp while considering the damage, and output attenuation can maintain the light source of more than 70%. Flame rating. The flame retardant grade of plastics increases step by step from HB, V2, V1 to V0, 1. HB, the lowest flame retardant grade in UL 94 standard. For samples 3 to 13 mm thick, the combustion rate is less than 40 mm per minute. For samples less than 3 mm thick, the burning speed is less than 70 mm per minute, or extinguish in front of the 100 mm sign. 2. V2. After 10-second combustion tests on the sample, the flame is extinguished within 60 seconds. There can be combustibles falling. 3. V1. After 10-second combustion tests on the sample, the flame is extinguished within 60 seconds. Nothing can fall. 4. V0. After 10-second combustion tests on the sample, the flame is extinguished within 30 seconds. Nothing can fall.
Thank you for watching.